For 46 years, Voyager 1 has been silently drifting through the abyss, a solitary traveler on a one-way path beyond everything we know, beyond the sun's warmth, beyond the orbit of any planet, deeper into the void than any human creation has ever ventured. It left Earth in an era of disco music and rotary phones, yet somehow it's still alive, still listening, still transmitting, still watching, but something has changed. This aging relic of the 20th century just sent back a signal that no one, not even the most optimistic scientists, ever anticipated. This wasn't a glitch, not random noise, it was a discovery. A moment so profound it forced NASA to revisit its own assumptions. A transmission so strange that engineers are now asking, is Voyager observing something, or is it being observed? Tonight, we peel back the layers of a mystery born in the frozen dark beyond our solar system. Because what Voyager 1 may have found isn't just fascinating, it's terrifyingly beautiful, and it could rewrite everything we thought we knew about the universe beyond the stars. It's almost unimaginable that this spacecraft, built with computing power weaker than today's cheapest smartphone, has outlived generations of scientists, presidents, and even entire space programs. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 was only meant to last 5 years, long enough to fly by the gas giants. But decade after decade, it kept going, defying the odds. Its resilience became legendary. Through solar storms, cosmic radiation, freezing darkness, and the slow decay of aging systems, Voyager remained active, ticking like an ancient clock lost in time, while its twin, Voyager 2, took a slightly different path. Voyager 1 rose upward, away from the plane of the solar system, into uncharted territory, with a golden record bolted to its side. Our message in a bottle to the stars, it became more than just a machine. It became a ghostly ambassador, drifting across the threshold into the interstellar medium. And through it all, it kept whispering back to us. Now, after nearly half a century, that whisper has changed, and what it's saying has scientists across the globe holding their breath. The edge of the solar system isn't a destination, it's a threshold, an invisible boundary where the sun's influence begins to wane, and the vast forces of interstellar space start to take hold. Voyager 1 crossed that boundary in 2012 officially, becoming the first human-made object to exit the solar wind's protective bubble and enter the realm between the stars. But what it found beyond that line didn't entirely make sense. The magnetic field didn't shift as dramatically as expected. Plasma density increased, yes, but the field's orientation remained oddly familiar. Then came the low-frequency plasma wave pulses of energy, rhythmic and steady, like echoes reverberating from unseen structures in the dark. Scientists were curious, but not concerned. Not yet. That changed with Voyager's most recent transmission. This time, it didn't just detect anomalies, it recorded a pattern-structured series of pulses, repeating at irregular yet unmistakably deliberate intervals. It wasn't noise, it wasn't random, it was something else. Some have dismissed it as a natural phenomenon. Others, more quietly, are beginning to ask a different question. What if this wasn't a message from Voyager, but a message through it? One of Voyager's most unexpected heroes is its plasma wave instrument, a delicate sensor designed to measure the density of surrounding space by listening to the vibrations of charged particles. It was never meant to last this long, especially in the cold, silent expanse where temperatures hover near absolute zero. And yet, not only is it still functioning, it just sent back data that defies all expectations. Recently, the instrument detected a frequency shift in a region of space where no such change should occur. A strange spectral echo, as if something massive had passed nearby, warping space ever so slightly, too subtle for Earth-based telescopes to catch, but just enough for a decades-old machine to notice. Engineers ran every check imaginable: system diagnostics, calibration tests, even scans for background noise from Earth. Nothing. The signal was clean and unmistakably external. Some proposed gravitational lensing, others floated ideas about interactions with dark matter. But a more provocative theory has begun to gain traction, one that challenges our perception entirely. What if the anomaly wasn't caused by something Voyager moved past, but by something that moved past Voyager? And when the raw data was translated into